Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So you would have seen the back pain video where we worked on our stretching, releasing pain. Now here we are going to do the more strengthening exercise. So which helps to strengthen our abdominal wall muscles, our erector spinae muscles, our oblique muscles. Okay, so it's a very quick and short video, so you can do the stretching part first, the back pain part first, and then strengthening later. So let's start with the prone posture. So come on your stomach. Okay, now here I'm just directly starting on strengthening, so make sure if you're just doing this video, do a little bit of stretching, loosening of your joints, and then start with this. Okay, we're going to start with Naukasana, so stretch your arms forward, feet together, inhale, lift your arms, your legs up, exhale down, inhale, exhale down, inhale, exhale down, 2 more rounds, inhale up, exhale down, last one, hold here, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, relax. So this will help to strengthen our erector spinae muscles. Okay. Now Shalabhasana. So we will do it with single leg and then both legs. So when we do it with single leg, we strengthen our gluteal muscles. So inhale, lift your right leg up, exhale down. Inhale, left leg up, exhale down. Inhale, right leg up, exhale down. Inhale, left leg up, exhale down. Now we will hold for 5. Again, you can increase this count as you do regularly. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back and left and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now with both legs. So inhale, lift your both legs up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one. Inhale up and hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax. Now bring your forearms like this on the mat, like a Sphinx pose, and here tuck your toes and inhale, lift your body up in forearm plank, exhale, rest, inhale, lift, exhale, let. We can even start from here, inhale, lift up, exhale, rest, inhale, lift up, exhale, rest. Okay, last one. Inhale, lift up and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Okay, so as we do repetitive action, it builds the strength, but as we hold the poses, it builds the endurance. So I'm just doing it, holding it here again for the time management purpose, for 5 count. Please increase the count as you get comfortable. Now stretch your left arm and rest your head on your left arm. So we are working here on gluteal muscles and quadricep muscles strengthening. So rest your right palm on the mat, lift your right leg, point your toes in and up and down. Continue 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back. Now change. Okay, so lift, point your toes in and up and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax. Now turn and come on your back. So here, bend your both knees and we'll go for single leg raising. So rest your hands down on the mat. Lift, stretch your right leg, point your toes in, exhale down, inhale up. Continue 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now just hold about 45 to 60 degree position for 5. Again, you can increase the count. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back and change. So stretch, point your toes in and up and down. Continue. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now stretch your right leg. The rotation again helps to strengthen our rectus abdominal muscles, TA muscles. So just go for rotation. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now again, as I am repeating this again and again, as you get comfortable, increase the count of repetition, increase the count of hold as well. Okay, left. Continue. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Relax. Now with the both legs, if you have still any back pain, you can avoid this, but if you feel comfortable, you can go ahead. Or you can start with a few counts first. So continue. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can go for 5, 10, 15, 20 counts as you get comfortable. Okay, now next, Naukasana. So helps to strengthen our rectus abdominal muscles. Okay, now just bring your hands on your thighs. Again, back pain, avoid. If you feel okay, then only do this. So inhale. This is all strengthening of all the muscles around our lumbar spine. Yeah. So inhale, exhale. Inhale back, exhale up. Inhale back, exhale up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax. Okay, now bend your knees. Now we have worked almost all the muscles, our erector spinae muscles, our rectus abdominal muscles, our gluteal muscles, our TA muscles. Now let's work on our oblique muscles. So all this group of muscles help to protect our spine, our lumbar spine especially. And if these muscles are not strong, that's when we get pain. That's when we can't hold that prolonged sitting or lifting heavy weight. So this will take care of all that issues. Okay, so lift your knees up and exhale. Bring your knees side to side, just in the air. Okay, continue. 5, 4, 3. Please increase number of count as you get comfortable. 2, and 1. Okay, go about 10 to 15 counts. Just bring your knees close to the mat, but off, like close to the floor, but not resting on the mat. Okay, relax. Now, next we will work on our six-pack muscles, rectus abdominal muscles. So stretch your arms, inhale, exhale, come up. Inhale back, exhale up. Inhale, exhale. Two more, inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale and hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax. Last one, Setu Bandhasana. A very good pose again to strengthen our gluteal muscles and core muscles. So, inhale, lift your hips up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one, inhale up and hold normal breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax. And you can relax, either you bend your knees and stay relaxed or come in Shavasana, but make sure you relax. And you can slowly come in sitting position. So this makes your complete set for taking care of your back. Okay, if you don't have back, but if you want to avoid the back pain in the future, you can still do this. This will definitely help in the long run. So the earlier video is for stretching, releasing pain, and this video is strengthening. So combine these two and it's a good set for taking care of your back. So let me know how you feel. Let me know how did it go. I do therapy for back pain, so if you have any questions, if you need any help, can reach out to us. Someone from my team will get back to you. So I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video to your family, friends, whoever needs this video. Bye bye.